When a baby is born, elders look closely not at the body but at the eyes. Who has come back? The Igbo believe in reincarnation, Iluwa. A child may be the return of an ancestor, not a metaphor, real return, same spirit, new body. They look for birthmarks, habits and dreams. A child who was like an old man, a girl who remembers her past life. Some children returns as Uwoma, good reincarnation, others as Uwojo. They return with unfinished pain. Sometimes the family consults a dibia to ask who came back. They might name the child after the ancestor that returned. In Igbo land, life is a circle, not a straight line. Death is not the end, it is a bend in the road. We are our ancestors. Let me know if you are a reincarnator of your ancestor in the comment section.